We believe, based on the best analysis of our best scientists, that we can safely reopen our schools.
Vice President Mike Pence in South Carolina today, one-on-one with Channel 9, addressing school reopenings as the state there is struggling to manage its surging rise in COVID-19 cases. The vice president heads the Trump administration's coronavirus task force.
Our South Carolina reporter Greg Suskin spoke to the vice president today. And Greg, you say he applauded the governor for what he's done.
He did. Here at the University of South Carolina today, the vice president praised Governor McMaster for reopening the state's economy as soon as he did, for pushing to have schools open fully in the fall, saying all this while also acknowledging the reason he's here today is because South Carolina has become a hotspot for coronavirus cases. The vice president and the governor walked in to speak to reporters, both wearing masks. Pence says the president urged him to go to South Carolina because of the spike in COVID-19 cases here. He was joined by health and education leaders who were all part of a roundtable on reopening schools and dealing with the pandemic. South Carolina was one of the first states to reopen for business and saw coronavirus cases spike in late May and continue to increase. Talking one-on-one, I asked the vice president if the state should have stayed closed longer. Pence says clearly something happened after Memorial Day weekend, but he didn't blame reopening.
Particularly younger Americans began by the middle of June to test positive. So we don't see it as related to reopening as much because different states were opening in different stages.
Pence says people under 30 are now getting the virus at the highest rate, and he urged them to think of others and help protect the most vulnerable. On reopening schools, I told the vice president that some teachers are protesting going back to class, concerned about the risk. Pence says the task force will continue to work with states to provide guidance and supplies to prevent illness. He says more money is on the way.
Provide additional funding so that we can stand up our schools, get our kids back in the classroom.
But many school districts are opting for school only 2 days a week and virtual learning at home. Pence insisted schools can be made safe.
We believe, based on the best analysis of our best scientists, that we can safely reopen our schools.
And the vice president also saying that he expects to see a vaccine by the end of the year. I asked him if that vaccine could possibly be mandated. In fact, I asked him that several times. He would only say he hopes there's a vaccine available for everyone who wants